What is up, YouTube? Are you struggling to make money online because, well, you don't have an email list and everybody keeps telling you the money is in the list? Well, if so, then you are going to love me today because I'm going to tell you about the no list secret. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, it's actually very, very simple. Regular viewers of the channel know. It's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you are not new, you know the drill. Go ahead and skip ahead. You don't have to listen to my stale old jokes anymore. Go on, it's okay. Get out of here. Go on to the rest of the video and see my review. Anyway, but if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products, and they make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, this is this is ridiculous already. Do you guys know how many times Bart has complained about this thing? Go back and look at all my videos. It's probably hundreds of times by now that I've had to hear this guy yakety, 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 crap. Bart, get a new line, seriously. Anyway, the way things work here for like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz. See, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. He says she's the same thing every day also, but I can't get angry at her. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Make sure you select all, because subscribe doesn't mean anything on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome. We are on the sales page for the no list secret. This is from my friend Ashley Perry, and he's partnered up with one of the bigger names in the industry, Brendan Mace. That's Brendan right over there. I love this thing, by the way, with the little comic book things. What? How are they doing? What's the secret? Is this legal? That's really cute. Anyway, but these are sales numbers from Ashley. Now, this is a little bit skewed because Ashley, as you can see, is also a vendor. Okay, basically, what that means is that he also sells his own products. I think he's done about 2 or 3 product launches. So his numbers are a little bit skewed. What is more important to take a look at over here is the $5,680. That's actually affiliate sales. He's been doing really, really well with affiliate sales. I've seen him on a lot of leaderboards. And he hasn't got that big of an email list yet. And he started out without any list at all. And that's really what he's going to be showing you inside of this course. That he's going to show you how he's been able to build himself a list using, build himself a list without a list, basically, without having had any launches. He built himself an email list, and he's really been crushing it online. So I do want to tell you about my custom bonuses because I always have the best custom bonuses that you're ever going to see. So let me run it down for you real quick because I got a huge number of bonuses. So first and foremost, I'm going to give you my very own ready-made squeeze page. These are basically squeeze pages that you can use to collect a list. If you want to go ahead and use some of the methods that I'm actually going to teach you in order to build yourself an email list, you'll be able to use this method to collect people's emails using my ready-made high-converting squeeze page. Okay, and it's going to come with the form that you need in order to collect everything. Everything is done for you. It's all free, by the way. You don't have to spend any money to use this. I'm also going to show you 6 different courses on paid advertising. So Facebook ads, Twitter ads, Google ads, native ads guide, my instant 2-cent traffic guide, and my guide to Pinterest marketing. I'm also going to show you how to do retargeting ads. These are super important. If you ever visit a website and you start seeing ads for it everywhere you go, those are called retargeting ads. Basically what they're doing is they're kind of following you around the internet, reminding you, and they are a super cheap way of collecting sales. So I'm going to give you my guide to retargeting. But here's the thing that's really, really going to make this pop for you. I'm going to show you how to get $250 worth of completely free advertising. In other words, as paid as you spend absolutely nothing for in order to really start seeing some results, start making some money. And then once you make some money, you can invest more. But in the meantime, it gets you started on making some money. Okay. In addition to those, I'm also going to give you Bing Ads Mastery, the 7 Deadly Sins of Email Marketing, Solo Ad Escape, the 10K Storytelling Formula, and the Ultimate Traffic Mantra. If you pick up any upgrade, you get your option of 1 year of BoostOptIn, which is my, well, not 1 year, just BoostOptIn, which is my award-winning software, which is designed to get you better quality email leads, or you can get 1 year of Conversion Champ. Conversion Champ is my other one of my other software products, which is designed to pop up those little things that say, so-and-so just post such and such, or it pops up like exit intent. When people are about to exit a page, it'll pop up a little notice saying, hey, before you go, why don't you consider this? Or it pops up like reviews and a whole bunch of other options. I think there's about a dozen different options or so that you're going to get with Conversion Champ, or you have the option of getting 1 month of direct access to my cell phone, meaning that you and I can chat and I can help you out with any kind of coaching or anything that you really need help with at all in order to make sure that you really make your business actually start making serious money. I've been doing this for a while now, and I do have the experience and the know-how to be able to help you out as well. So you're going to get one of those options. You pick up two upgrades. You get 2 of those options. You pick up 3. You get all 3 options. So you see how this goes. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a quick look over here at the members area of the Know This Secret. So this is the members area right here. Okay, so you can see here Ashley is sitting in his kitchen. He's going to be telling you all about how he's been able to crush it using basically very, very inexpensive paid ads in order to really start building himself up. Okay, they have a couple of upgrades here that you can pick up if you'd like. You don't have to pick them up if you don't want to. Okay, and there's also going to be a whole bunch of bonuses over here. Check this out over here. Click and grab Amazing Bonus Bundle, and it'll take you to the bonuses that they are including. These are not the bonuses that I'm giving you. Okay, I guess you have to go and sign up with Messenger, which I'm not going to do right now. But bottom line is like this: you can get those bonuses as well if you want to sign up with Messenger. I guess that's another way that they're actually using in order to try to collect leads. That if you want to get your bonuses, you got to go ahead and sign up with Messenger. So that's a pretty cool thing, actually. You can do that too. Yeah, so anyway, so let's see if I can give a tip of my hat to the product creator.
For the giant hat, sir.
Indeed, huge tip of my hat to you. Very, very nicely done. And if you pick it up with my bonuses, then this really is a no-brainer to go ahead and grab this thing. This one really is worth picking up. You're absolutely going to love it. And for the price, it'd be ridiculous not to pick it up. So go ahead and grab this one. It's really worth it.